Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Nicolas. I am a student of the Caribbean Corporation University. I'm going talking about my daily routine. Usually, I wake up at 6 o'clock. Usually, I brush my teeth at 6:30. Sometimes, I brush my card at 7 o'clock. Always, I start to work at 8 o'clock. Usually, I go home at 2 p.m. Usually arrive at home at 6 o'clock. Always I had a dinner at 6:30. Sometimes I work on my computer 7 o'clock. Always speaking with my mother at 9 o'clock. Always go to bed at 11 p.m. Thank you, teacher, very much.